Which is the widest river in India? A. Ganga, B. Brahmaputra, C. Yamuna. Correct answer is B. Brahmaputra. What does Article 356 of the Indian Constitution deal with? A. Emergency in a state, B. Right to equality, C. Duties of the President. Correct answer is A. Emergency in a state. Where is the Green Park Stadium located? A. Kanpur, B. Lucknow, C. Kolkata. Correct answer is A. Kanpur. Where is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice located? A. Geneva, Switzerland, B. Hague, Netherlands, C. New York, USA. Correct answer is B. Hague, Netherlands. When is International Family Day celebrated? A. The 15th of May, B. The 1st of June, C. 12 April. Correct answer is A. 15 May. Which day is considered the nearest to being specific in its meaning? A. Today, B. Tomorrow, C. Yesterday. Correct answer is A. Today. What is the color of the Ashoka Chakra in the Indian flag? A. Green, B. Navy blue, C. Saffron. Correct answer is B. Navy blue. How many liters of water should a human drink in a day? A. 1 to 2 liters, B. 2 to 3 liters, C. 4 to 5 liters. Correct answer is B. 2 to 3 liters. When did the first train run in India? A. 1853, B. 1901, C. 1875. Correct answer is A. 1853. Which country does not have any trains? A. Iceland, B. Bhutan, C. Maldives. Correct answer is C. Maldives. How many teeth does a crocodile have in its mouth? A. 64, B. 80, C. So. Correct answer is B. C. Rangoli is a traditional art form of which Indian state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Maharashtra. Who is considered the originator of the solar system? A. The Sun, B. Earth, C. Jupiter. Correct answer is A. The Sun. What is the validity of Aadhaar card in India? A. 10 years, B. Lifetime, C. 15 years. Correct answer is B. Lifetime. Which is considered the oldest country in the world? A. Egypt, B. Iran, C. San Marino. Correct answer is C. San Marino. How many workers were involved in the construction of the Taj Mahal? A. 10,000, B. 20,000, C. 25,000. Correct answer is B. 20,000. What is the process of digging inside the earth called? A. Earth drilling. B. Excavation. C. Boring. Correct answer is B. Excavation. Who holds the authority to issue currency notes in India? A. Ministry of Finance. B. Reserve Bank of India. C. State Bank of India. Correct answer is B. Reserve Bank of India. Where did the British establish their first factory in India? A. Surat. B. Bombay. C. Calcutta. Correct answer is A. Surat. Who is considered the originator of the game of chess? A. China. B. Persia. C. India. Correct answer is C. India.